friends, welcome to the Frosty Eye Candy and G-Pause minimal swipe tutorial. So that's the first TLP I've put down, Macaw, gorgeous interference, gold, green and blue. So as I said, we're doing a minimal swipe, so I'm being very generous with the Macaw and putting a lot down because we want the Macaw to go right across the swipe with the colours. This one, Indigo Waves, and the next one's going to be PBO Iridescent, green blue. And we want the colours just to be a nice fade around the edges. Now, the iridescent green blue I'm putting down is an opaque, so it's going to be nice for the cell activator to sit on top and swipe beautifully across the colours and the whole canvas, or here's hoping. So the cell activator we're using today, it's the Australian Shelley Art recipe, and it's Prussian blue. So we want to be quite generous on our swiping tool, friends, and just make gentle contact with the pillow and their colours, gently swipe them across. And here's for a nice close-up to watch these cells popping up. So I'm going in here, friends, just giving the cell activator a little blowout, hopefully to break it up and bring up some more cells. We're just going to check that the piece is all moving as one, which it is beautifully, and we're going to go in for the first spin. So we want to spin quickly, but not too fast, friends. We don't want paint to go everywhere. We just want it nicely to meet the edge of the canvas and flow down. And wow, for one spin, that's looking pretty good. Going in for the second spin, my friends. And she's looking great. It's worked out beautifully. You can see the Macaw glistening in the light, spread all the way across the canvas beautifully, and the indigo waves and iridescent green blue just nicely on the edge of the canvas. So thank you, my friends. Please like and subscribe, and happy pouring.